If you're bored of Chrome's default look, don't worry, you can easily change it with different backgrounds and themes. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the Google Chrome background on your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Now look at the top left corner and tap on the pencil icon. At the bottom, you'll see the Customize homepage section. Swipe through the available options to preview different built-in backgrounds and themes. If you want more styles, tap on the plus icon in the list. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen. From here, select Themes. Now you can browse through different categories and backgrounds available for Chrome. Choose the theme or background you like the most. After selecting it, tap on Done in the top right corner. Your new Chrome background will appear instantly. If you want to use your own photo as the background, tap on the plus icon again. This time, select Camera Roll or Gallery. Now choose any image from your photos or albums. You can also pinch to zoom in or out and adjust the image the way you want. Finally, tap on Save at the bottom. Your custom image will now be set as the Chrome background. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.